Abusia for me mama kwaba shonko eba too much GH munya ba musum for na ama obusia eni na dano enkoma enam ye man enfra memu no eno enabere to dry edema mo ahwefo eni etie for me trending issues na sesi adaye man Ghana mu radio presenter bi trending pa ninya ejna interview bi a wo conduct ewo the radio station or no akasa ni show so ekowie boni atese ama Ghana for celebrities nya etu omo ano egu ne so na presenter meka no ho asem na Romeo wele awada ayiko show so as host Accra FM na recently no or interview Wendy Shay ono so nim se wo ko promote ne nyom the latest release and the emergency na bra interview no so no enkomo no divertic akra ekowura wo no angasa ne personal issues the relationship with ne manager Bullet of Rough Town Records na numu na Wendy Shay who say with the way I put questions at end I say for soon I put it to you say na court mu I put it to you no enu bi ne dey no to who say na I say infringe the right so enunti was sorry tie for enya kwan e free studio honum na enum na Ghana for sorry etian especially celebrities for no ka say na Romeo kwan ya ofa so when you share interview no fire diverting questions no na ehun hia kra emwa industry no kwan bia so wo hwe celebrities o ma ba bonta be backlash na kan ho sem efipa na amake bebe se ka ho shato ale kra de wasa de ne se wo pa o pese wo hu suban a one invite no embra the show so now one channel sana obisa other people question no bisa that same questions and kono anka se be kata ni ebie no na ni instrument egu ho ni fidia wo yin so ede na djuma na obebie ne na ni access because ono de sa nkwasa sem say de yentimi emfa ono shatawale no ne pro echi na ebiem so no other artists be say medical mo so ababonte abere ati delay am so ababonte na ebiem so foforo kra mo so de na no nsem edi abeka ho comedian funny face and ancete mo no so no nsem aye bebre e social media efa ne ma no Ella and Bella na this time around there one ma bontin abeka ne mba no ho asem and asem ne ex-wife ho asem na this time around there asem obeka no there na efa na Romeo ni attitude that will put it towards celebrities that were invited omo show ne so na ansa na crowd wo posti video or dey proving the point no or share say can send be art say ohun ni say na Romeo no say they were meeting the meter the AC say except and pa or chialaka and work catch and say except and say in same way because they be the presenters aba munum say when munya akonya ni musicians that artists enya nhemu pe na de mo pe bia mo pese mo fa nyom na mo guo mo ho fi na mo ka mo sem e de asho mo so na mo de mo nyam ho na mo ko na mo trend na mo gidi pa na mo nim say mo djuma no ewia ne sa na fe de mo miti de be chem mo djuma no different wom na say and a funny face edit to drop ne tweet page or say one man stopper Kaswa Van Dam, it go over you. You ask stupid questions, you get stupid answers. Nigga, keep quiet before I spread your secret on social media like a bro any baby. And nunti as sana what the video no po ebe to one can catch Nana Romeo say one kala nutum and it say what or the tune who say one or yeah there no a radio presenter there interview no format will be ban na be sana ho question e betima ma program a we no e betima relevant enough into on there or yet to be blamed for the questions that will be say here when the show no sa nsema na ma work ka dey tune ho no onya ekran to nche no accept say he was wrong with that interview when the show here no apologize to when the show no one die say original still say proof no Ghana has say and so when you be proof ka na wan kasa mu no ya investigation dada and into one night what they tune and also kasa funny face threaten no say wo ye na drink so be ko so no dey tune ho sa no so be che ne say abro ni be ye won kofo ni ate Ghana ha o metimi e dey ache no na funny face ka wo che ne ya wase ne no dey call back to video bia na Romeo ye kuri eni no ye na Romeo eni ne ye sa video yi no obisa na nsem interview wo obisa bisa na nsem se na obisa ye when the shame mu ensem ne bi na obisa na nsem no ko ball no funny face any Adebayo no good friend na woni ne enam no relationship eda wo muntem na wo kika kan no obi sa funny face e woni nim say yesi Adebayo gay enu to the creben pen ne creben pa and wo sa ensem no na no na ma funny face bu fear say na what kind of questions in here and no funny face was this our question see at another room you ABC call by Evaniano. Ejina Emma say, or near professional, or your rejoining keke, or pequine Eddie money pound aba sem keke. Your boys and a funny face kai with the video now, or then not room you a year.
That's a
Go ahead. If I want to answer,
I'm on for say na Adebayo only no I do to gay sem. What that?
Never.
But have you heard it before?
That never.
Clear the air.
Never. It's never true, and it will never be true. Ade has a wife, has a daughter, has a big family, so never.
Only Adebayo nye gay sem bi ada.
Never.
On also one try that.
Never. In fact, the truth be saying, you see, if you're a radio presenter, where they ask these funny questions, truth to say, Romeo Imangai, but I will tell you, you know the thing deep small. I swear, okay. This is on record.
Okay.
You study human being life.
Okay.
You are into showbiz.
Yeah.
People say things to tarnish people image.
Yeah.
So for you to even ask that guy the same question, it left small.
I go slap
I
me.
swear. No. Oh, hell no. Why would I do that? But I'm telling you, you be real, I'll be real. Yeah. I don't lie, I don't fake. Like I said in the start of the interview, I told you that I'm in a sphere of my life where I don't hide anything. I'm real as it gets. People love you for you being real. People will hate you for you being real. So be real.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know why? I don't ask because of me. But it's good.
But you say for no ask them questions. Because you know say you know be true.
No, I know. But you know what?
If me, that's what they tell you. But you know the things the means are they hear about myself. You're on radio.
Yeah.
I go fit take your picture post for one page. Millions of followers. You know what somebody go talk about you?
For sure.
Might not be true.
Okay. But it's good you've cleared it. That you don't know that.
That's what they tell you. See, that be how the game is. Me, if you know me, you.
For sena mechanic no sa pepepe na esi to tie eyese na ekobodi die no eko how to say funny face ewo enyina so nti a wo kasa etia na Romeo because send wodi edi when she ni sa pepepe so na odidi ono funny face edi no too into a controversial point dia obi say say na down for ne nam obi enim say na down for because of rumors about out and kofo keka yes Sandra aba bi ona rumor to be Lewin ne counterpart ne girlfriend on ne nam no na Lewin so girlfriend eba abonti beka say funny face ne gay partner ne Adebayo nti so o na sa room no so edi ebisa wono funny face nsem to ama funny face ehun say ne interview part in the sa na sitie enu nti na funny face hu ne say na Romeo attitude or they put it out on other artist interview no things such as nyama why dada no or they proving a fact and also proving a point about issue no nebusia first comment be abaha abetoja efa funny face video or release here and ensem so wakafa nana Romeo ehum where efi Veronica Mafia so say I don't know why funny face sadly want to trend with the wrong reasons. Is he feeling insecure, fear or fading out or what at all? Is he becoming more fake just like Romeo himself? Or also when he said or tia said the funny face by force, by fire, or someone trendy social media. So, issue who already old trend social media so did that. Would do Ella and Bella air trendy? They be other and a woman threats. Ella they be other so we young or four more can once them. Now, fed yet, but outside I say himself be addressing what issues be man. Usabe can't trendy issue once them, Nana Romeo once them. Never to say funny face, one shed up out the payo, and never until they have videos now, they have to look at one trending keke. Because when you say coronavirus, Bibian ko Bibian manti, for what doing the day, they be at that one also, and one I would ADD was agreement to trendy keke, and I'll say one trendy, and Nunti and now, yes, a video, sir. Would they ever to Janity? And I Romeo some of our crap what they say. One time who don't compare Nana Romeo. There's none better among the two of you. Where so if we Matilda also idea or there about say funny face pa. Have you forgotten you still don't have your daughters with you? Or have you wiped your face to sneeze as the Ashantis say? Or also I say na funny face. They say they na refi say one man no Ella ne Bella no woman new chana not to woman buy na. Ana wo ya asante for edie bi nsem omuka say yesu kra ye dan him no wesu nti afi na wo him so a wo de Nana Romeo nsem na be him ana wo bisa asem wesu efi Henry ono so edie awode about say I am laughing enter my room. Funny face has come to say this one to Kaswa Van Dam, you will kill us. Ono so to say asem a funny face de ba abonten de eno de enso da anya na asem bia na Say funny face amu ababonti na na say funny face to abeka na Romeo assembly ondo uni say kasa bandam no obekunya because nsem ode na no tum no enye no na for the while nya say what trending na nya no dey trending say no say ogofa another issue air trending e dey abeto ono ankasa ne ho eso me fa Emily dey so awode aba encha to Emily say Nana Romeo deserves it all. See how he even interviewed Funny Face, asking him questions. I am sure that Funny Face wanted to tell him point blank that he is not good enough for the position, and yet we could not see it from then until it got to Wendy Shay. I think Wendy Shay is the heroine in the story so far. Or no so action I just say and until na Romeo no to sa no so no so ban tie entenye nempo no sha se enye kidi ene eye Wendy Shay so no sha se ewo na wa sha se kra dada fi eye Funny Face so ene o deserve pa se eye de Wendy Shay de year no wo de year no nti the see ade de wonno Emily de we hu se eye Wendy Shay wonno no wo ye obi o wa akukudo pa ewo eye story ni nya emu ebusafo aha ena me de comment no ebesi na so me pese me hu wa dwentre efa ensem home send a Funny Face to edina no abetuma or the video bia interview woni Nana Romeo at wo bi se bisa den sem etako bisa na asema efa the relationship between or no Funny Face any Adebayo so wo gay partners and I said DM important pa and wo muntem any reply so Funny Face the man ni say ade Funny Face asema wo ka say or proof efa Nana Romeo ho art say what the bible nti obetimi edi egu no ho afi any nanim ase they wo dwen fa ensem wenya no obetimi edi atodwa ewo too much gh comment section for ewo too much gh Instagram page @too_much_gh_. Me di edi Nana ama osa makram.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura